Hi there, today's topic is all about personal growth and how we can achieve it. Personal growth is essential to living a fulfilling life and reaching our full potential. So, let's get started on this exciting journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. The first step towards achieving personal growth is to identify our strengths and weaknesses. We need to understand where we excel and where we can improve. Once we have a clear picture of our strengths and weaknesses, we can set achievable goals for ourselves. The next step is to take action towards our goals. We need to have a plan in place and take consistent action to achieve our desired outcome. It's important to remember that personal growth is a journey, and it takes time and effort to see results. One of the most important aspects of personal growth is learning. We need to be open to new ideas and perspectives and constantly seek knowledge and understanding. This can be through reading, attending seminars and workshops, or even seeking out a mentor. Another essential component of personal growth is self-reflection. We need to take the time to reflect on our experiences and learn from them. This can be through journaling or even just taking a few moments to be mindful and present. Finally, we need to surround ourselves with positive influences. This can be through our relationships with family and friends, or even seeking out a supportive community. It's important to have people in our lives who uplift and encourage us on our journey towards personal growth. In conclusion, achieving personal growth is a lifelong journey, and it takes consistent effort and dedication. By identifying our strengths and weaknesses, setting achievable goals, taking action, learning, self-reflecting, and surrounding ourselves with positive influences, we can all strive towards becoming the best version of ourselves. So let's embrace this journey and live our best lives. Thank you for tuning in.